Were you giving Elmo some turkey? And Ernie?
No, mine.
Okay. I'll put it down here, and I won't record you anymore.
Little. And my
Elmo's eating rice, huh?
only
That's a big piece of pineapple for Elmo.
Elmo apple.
Like that? Oh, num 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 num.
Num, 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 num. Thank you, Caitlin. That was delicious.
I think Ernie's looking hungry.
Ollie. You know, Ollie? Uh-oh.
What about Elmo? Is Elmo hungry?
I think he might want some rice. Yeah, that's food. Is it Elmo's food? I think it's Caitlin's food, but Elmo can have some.
Caitlin, that's very nice.
You're good at sharing. You sharing your food with Elmo? Elmo's gonna have some turkey. What's that? Yeah.
No, Maggie.
Are you all done? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Caitlin.
Oh,
that's very nice of that was nice of you to share.
Oh, putting it on Daddy's plate. That's so nice.
What's the matter? Your teeth hurt? Okay. Are we all done?
Only L on that.
Ernie
Ernie and Elmo are all done? How about Caitlin? Is Caitlin all done? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good.
No, don't do that.
We'll get Ernie and we'll give him a bath, okay? Mm-mm.
No.
You say bye-bye to everybody?
Bye-bye, Abby.
You say bye-bye, everybody?
Yep.
Yep. Let's hear you say it. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye, Abby.
Everybody. Yum.